myself Savita Pinto. I am lecturer of Polymer Technology. On behalf of Department of Polyglot and Technical Education, I am going to present the Physical Chemistry course. Now, I am going to discuss about the session 6 of Unit 3 Colloidal Chemistry. The course outcome: significance of colloids in everyday life. The content of this session: preparation of colloids by chemical method, double decomposition method, by hydrolysis, and multiple choice questions. So in the last session we discussed about the preparation of colloids by physical methods. There are different methods which we discussed in the physical method. Now we are going to discuss about the chemical method. So first method, that is double decomposition method. Here this is example for double decomposition method. A solution of arsenic sulfate is obtained by passing hydrogen sulfide through cold solution of arsenic oxide in water. So this will get decomposed. Okay, As2O3 is become as these two get displaced here. As2O3 become As2S3 and H2S become H2O. The solution of arsenic sulfide is obtained by passing hydrogen sulfide through a cold solution of arsenic oxide in water. Second method, by hydrolysis. Many salt solutions are rapidly hydrolyzed by boiling dilute solution of their salt. So hydrolysis means by adding water. Okay. Example: aluminum hydroxide solutions are obtained by boiling solution of the corresponding chlorides, means aluminum chlorides. If we are using boiling solution of aluminum chloride, we will get aluminum hydroxide solution. Example here: aluminum chloride, if it is treated with water, we will get aluminum hydroxide. This is example for hydrolysis method, means we are using water here. Hydrolysis means water, addition of water. Third method, by exchange of solvent. Colloidal solution of certain substances such as sulfur, phosphorus, which are soluble in alcohol but insoluble in water. See here, colloidal solution of certain substances such as sulfur, phosphorus, which are soluble in alcohol. Okay, some colloidal solutions are not soluble in water but they are soluble in alcohol. The colloidal solution can be prepared by pouring their alcoholic solution excess of water. First we have to add alcohol to that colloidal solution and then we have to add excess of water. Alcoholic solution of sulfur means sulfur we have to treat it with alcohol, then we have to take alcoholic solution of sulfur, on pouring into water gives milky colloidal solution of sulfur. Okay, if you pour water to alcoholic solution of sulfur, that will give milky colloidal solution of sulfur. This is a colloidal solution. So these are the three methods, chemical method. First double decomposition, second one by hydrolysis, third one by exchange of solvent. Let's discuss some multiple choice questions. Gold salt is an electronegative salt. The amount of electrolyte required to coagulate a certain amount of gold salt is minimum in the case of dash: sodium chloride, B calcium chloride, C sodium sulfate, D aluminum chloride. Answer is aluminum chloride. An emulsifier stabilizes an emulsion by dash: coagulating the impurity, B protective action, C reducing interfacial tension between the two phases in the colloidal solution, D none of these. C reducing interfacial tension between the two phases in the colloidal solution. Which of the following electrolyte will have maximum flocculation value for FeOH3 salt? A Na2S, B NaCl, C K2SO4, D NH43PO4. The right answer is NaCl. A soul of ferric chloride moves to the negative electrode. The colloidal particle carry. So if the particle or the moves to the negative electrode means the particle means opposite charge, means positive charge. A no charge, B positive charge, negative charge, none of these. So correct answer is positive charge. The charge on As2S3 soul is due to A. Absorption of H plus ions, B. Adsorption of H plus ions, C. Adsorption of S2 minus ion, D. Absorption of S2 minus ion. The right answer is adsorption of S2 minus ions. Sixth, an arsenic sulfide soul is prepared by the reaction As2O3 plus 3H2S give rise to As2S3 plus H2O. This method is preparing the colloidal solution is A. Reduction, B. Oxidation, C. Hydrolysis, D. Double decomposition. So D. Double decomposition. A soul of sulfur is produced by passing hydrogen sulfide into solution of sulfur dioxide. This method is known as A. Reduction, B. Oxidation, C. Hydrolysis, D. Double decomposition. Answer is A. Reduction. The precipitating effect of an ion in disperse phase of opposite charge with the valence of the ion. A. Decreases, B. Increases, C. No effect, D. None of these. Answer is B. Increases. The cleaning action of soap is due to A. Hydrolysis of salt present in soap, B. Ionization of salt present in soap, C. High molecular mass of soap, D. Emulsification of properties of soap. The correct answer is D. Emulsification properties of soap. Ice cream is disperse phase of dash in medium. A. Water, B. Water vapor, C. Ice, D. Cooling agent. Correct answer is C. Ice. Thank you.